Help me, Glossy on Birchmoby. You're my only hope.
Hello again, Void. Apparently I'm still at it, so welcome back to another chaotic and crap unboxing of stuff that I probably can't use. But we're doing it. If anyone's actually watching, this is my second video ever, and welcome. Unboxing. Let us get to it. Right. Oh, this is even prettier than the last one. Look how pretty it is. I really like this. Oh, it's like shiny too. Love it. So this is the September box, which I am opening the day after I opened the August box, because this is me we're talking about. Alright, so it looks like the theme this this month is on top of your world. Hello Birchboxers, it's September, the month of new beginnings. Well, hey, look at that. How very apt. First item is from Green Frog Botanic, relaxing geranium and peppermint Ayurvedic skincare. Yeah, but what is it? Oh, it's like a cleanser. Right, what's next? Right, next item is a Beauty Protector, Protect and Volume Spray. So it's a little volumizing hair spray with a thermal protector. Item 3. It's me trying to pronounce French words again. Alright, this is Marcel 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion. Ah, ooh. I don't know if you can see that. It says black with a Q. Mask, I guess it's activated charcoal. Yes, I was right. And finally, I think this is the last item in the box. Oh, it's from Benefit. That's cute. Their stuff is always cute. It says California. Oh, I think I've heard of this. Is this a blush? It's a blush, isn't it? Yeah, it's a sunny golden pink blush, which, you know, look at me, I scream sunny and golden. Right, so that appears to be everything. Yes, the Boxo powder in California. The Green Frog Botanic body wash. Oh, it's a body wash. Marcel Anti-Pollution Day and Night Moisturizing Emulsion. The peel-off mask. And, oh wait, sorry. That was the Marcel. And that is the Beauty Protector. Isn't there normally some info about who did the box art in here? It doesn't look like there is this time. I tried. Okay, next. Dun, dun, dun. The big one, Glossybox. Thingy. Okay, this one is not as cute as last month's, but I guess this is what they normally look like inside. It is also tied together with a ribbon, but this time it's a black one. Okay, so the first thing sticking out was just some wet wipes. Ooh, wet wipes. Yay, so exciting. I mean, they're useful. Don't get me wrong, but they're not exactly exciting. I can buy my own wet wipes. Okay, Karl Lagerfeld plus Model Co. Rosewood Lip Liner. Okay, looks like that. So the lip liner looks like that. I am so good at swatches. I think it's quite pretty. Next is, it's a hair product, a scalp detox exfoliating pre-wash treatment. Okay, that might be handy. Just about. It's very perfumey. Oh, it's from Grow Gorgeous. I think this is quite pretty here, so yeah. We've got something small and quite heavy here from Bang Beauty, and it says dark brown, so I'm assuming this is like a brow product or something. Yep, dark brown brow cream. And it comes with a cute little brush. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video. I've never used a brow product in my life, ever. Like most girls of my age. I'm 38, in case I forgot to mention that too. I spent my teen years kind of plucking the crap out of them because they were really thick and really dark. I mean, they're still really dark, but they don't grow back quite like they used to, so this is what they look like. And I never got used to using brow products because my brows were always really dark, so I don't know how. There is one that I bought recently, which I think I might try out on camera just to make a fool of myself, because that's what I'm here for. Yeah, so this is a brow cream or pomade or something, I don't know. Brow cream. It's good to receive things like that you wouldn't normally buy, I suppose. The next thing, which is the penultimate, oh, it's a perfume. It's by Pure and Fabulous, Water Lily perfume. Wild Garden. Is Wild Garden the perfumery, or is it Pure and Fabulous? I don't know. But it's Pure and Fabulous, Wild Garden, Water Lily. It's cute, I don't know. It's gonna probably be... I mean, it's a lot sort of flowery and girlier than I normally go for. It could be nice. I mean, it's pretty. It smells nice. And finally, last item, I think. I really need to look there. Okay. Hi. Hello. Nobody. Detoxifying, bubbling, cleansing mask, again with activated charcoal. It says it's suitable for all skin types and non-drying, which we'll see, because I have really dry skin, and I know that activated charcoal is usually quite intense. But we'll see. I think it might be a sheet mask. Yeah, it is a sheet mask, it says right here, yeah. No, and it says sheet mask right there too, because I can read. Last item in the box is black noodles this time. Cool. So that's that. I forgot to summarize the contents of the second box. I'm so good at this. Right, so a little sheet thingy. We have the perfume, which is pear, water lily, and warm amber. Okay, that makes sense because it had a sort of fruity kind of thing going on in addition to the flowers. The eyebrow cream with the little brush. The Karl Lagerfeld and Model Co. lip liner. The scalp detox. Oh, and the detoxifying masks and the mask. What are you? There they are. Oh, there's a sneak peek for the October box. What's exciting? Oh, it's gonna be Halloween themed. Good. Trick or treat, what's coming to your door? We're treating you to the Intense Antimatter Lipstick from Ilamasqua. To vamp up your look this Halloween, watch out for our very special, in quotes, October editions. I wonder why. Now, there's a little picture here of a purple and a pink, and I really, really, really hope I get the purple. But we will see. With my luck, it'll be the pink. I always end up with pink stuff and I hate it. Right. That's actually the end this time. Thanks for watching, imaginary void people, and I will, well, you'll see me next time.